Hello. All right, I'm on a quick little break here and still putting my face together. So I thought I would just come on and kind of do a little multitasking with you because we have lots of different sales and fun things that are ending today. And at the last minute, I decided to do a Deb's deal, which is specifically just for people that tune in to this video or that tune into my group. So only you get access. All you have to do is comment 10, just comment 10, just interact with me to get a $10 credit coupon, whatever you want to call it, to purchase some products. So if you just comment 10, you get to pick a $10 gift certificate credit. I'll add it to your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one and then I'll add it to it for you. But you can choose, say, 10 POM for Pomifera or 10 for Beauty Society, and I will add it to your account, okay? So thank you for tuning in. Say hello if you pop on and catch us on the replay. Don't miss the deals. So with Pomifera, we have 99-cent shipping happening right now, which is always a great and fun thing. Nobody likes to pay shipping. Shipping is expensive these days. And we've actually raised our shipping a little bit on Pomifera. And so 99-cent shipping on the purchase of $50 or more now is a great time to snag a little something for mama. We've had some really good feedback on the Wildflowers new scent. This is in the body lather, the body wash, and also we have a dry body oil. You can get them in a bundle and save a little bit or separately, but the body lather is such a fun and unique type of thing to give your bestie, your girlfriend, your mama, your aunt, your sister, whoever is really, really special in your life. They are going to love it. Again, I've gotten some feedback on the Wildflower scent and it's beautiful. It's fresh. It's lovely. It's everything that you would want in a floral body wash. So we have this, and all of our body care is double points with Pomifera right now. We always have a cashback program. You get some points every time that you purchase. For the body, it's double. It's like $10, or for every $10 you get $1. So it's double on the body. So a really fun way to take advantage of the double points. And the 99-cent shipping is you can get yourself a little body set, do the Wildflower scent. You're over that $50 thresh mark. You're going to get double points on your body. Then you can go back and snag something else. So for gifting the body lather in the Wildflowers, the scent 21, which is the lavender rosemary, is kind of an OG staple. That one's a good one too. Actually, they're all really, really good. And I really love the scent Shore. You can also get this in the Body Glow and the dry body oil. And I think we have a body lather as well. It reminds me of an oil that the Aveda chain has. If you've ever used any of Aveda's little body oils, the Shore smells like shampooer, I think it is called, but I love it. It's one of my favorites. So stop buying the stinky, icky stuff and get yourself something that's non-toxic. Our fragrances do not have phthalates in them, no parabens, no sulfates in the lathers. So really good, clean, good for you, and super hydrating because it's got the Pomifera oil, which is unique to us, right? And then we also have a Happy Sab Trio. This is still available while supplies last. So these are $23 a piece. You can get 3 in a bundle for $39. Such a deal right now. And then with Beauty Society, if you're a brand new customer, we always have a way to save. So create your account. Right now, if you sign up as a new customer, if you've never purchased anything, you can get a really cute peach water bottle with your first purchase and 20% off. And then we have a special going on right now. We don't really sell sample or travel size products, but every once in a while they release them to us. And I love traveling with these, so I thought I would just share with you what I took on my last trip. I got a cleanser, the Immortal Eyes eye cream, which is a must-have. We all have to be using an eye cream over 20, over 30 especially. The Mission Accomplished, which this is so hydrating. It's like this mousse that just melts into the skin and really gives you great hydration. You're going to see a beautiful glow after you put it on. I just love it. It's loaded with antioxidants. It helps protect the skin. What else do I have in here? I have one more travel size something, I think. Let me see. And then also the Our Little Secret, which helps plump the skin. It's got peptides in here, plumps and smooth. So if you deal with texture on the skin or really want to kind of just soften your wrinkles, the Our Little Secret is for you. The Mission Accomplished is just kind of like a one and done. The eye cream, you need it. We have 2. I layer them both to keep my eyes hydrated. You can see they look nice and hydrated. And then we have couple different cleansers to choose from. I use the creamy one. It doesn't lather, but it doesn't have any scent. It's just a nice everyday cleanser. And then we also have one that smells a little bit more eucalyptus tea tree like, and it's like a gel kind of cleanser that foams. But anyways, you can snag 5 and save 5. If you purchase 10, I think you save 10 on the little samplers. And then we always have little cart perks and things like that. So lots of fun savings. I think that's all that I wanted to share right now. I'm still like trying to play catch up from my trip. It was amazing. I know it's kind of crazy that I'm selling 2 different lines, but I'm really, really enjoying both companies. They both have really, really great products, and I love sharing with you, and you love seeing the results that you're getting with these products. So thank you so much for supporting. Again, Mama could use a little travel set, so hit me up if you've got questions on what any of these products do. And then, of course, Pomifera is just simple, and we've got amazing body products, which are so giftable and wonderful to share with your friends and your family. And then Deb's deal is, once again, if you comment 10, you will get to pick either 10 Pom or to say 10 Beauty in the comments, and I will add a $10 savings credit. It comes out of my pocket just so you can save and get yourself a little treat this wonderful season. So holler at me if you need anything from me. I'm happy to help. That's what I'm here for. Okay. All right, you guys,